Have you ever wondered why some notebooks last forever, while others fall apart after just a few months? It's all about the binding, and trust me, right choice makes a huge difference. There are different types of binding for hardcover notebooks, and each one has its perks. If you want a notebook that opens flat and lasts long, go for section-sewn binding. It's perfect for high-end journals. But if you are on a budget or need something quick, perfect binding is your go-to. It's affordable and gets the job done. For notebooks that need to stay open easily, like planners or cookbooks, you might want to look at YO or spiral binding. They are also super durable, but they come at a higher price. So next time you pick a notebook, think about what you need. High quality, long-lasting, go for section-sewn binding. Budget-friendly and quick, perfect binding. Check out our guide to find the perfect fits for your needs.